Okay, so it works much better right now. What you still might notice is that I will hold W and then I will let it go and the ship will drift forward. So I let go. So it just drifts a bit upwards still. And why that happens? Because the way that the axes work, they're like a joystick. So it's not 0 or 1, it's the infinite value between -1 and +1. And it goes through all this part, and when you let go and you are in the +1, it reduces slowly until it reaches 0. But there is a way of making it a 0 or 1 system. You can say GetAxis raw instead of just GetAxis, and now it will instantly stop the moment you let go of the button. If you want this or not is just a preference or what kind of game you are making.